how to fix DoorDash rating not submitting after delivery. So to fix the DoorDash rating that will not submit, what you can do is first close the app. You see when you open your DoorDash app and when you try to submit the rating but it's not working, what you can do is swipe up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe away the DoorDash app from your multitasking screen and then reopen it again. Now the next thing what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and then turn off Wi-Fi and switch to mobile data to clear poor network blocks. Now the next thing what you can do is log out of your account, restart your phone and then log back in. Now if you are on Android device, what you can do is clear the app cache or go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your iOS or Android device and find the DoorDash app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.